Hello, in this video we are going to look at the label frame, which allows you to, it's like a more advanced version of a label basically, and we're going to use a label as well and add it to it. So we're going to say label frame equals label frame window. So this is what we're drawing to. Text equals this is awesome. I'm going to do label frame dot pack fill equals the fill is going to be both. We're going to simply expand to equal yes. Now we're going to do left equals label frame, and now the text. Got the bracket there, hence why the indentation was messed up. So text equals inside the label frame. Now left dot pack, and now let's run it and see what we get. So now we got this label right here, and we put the inside label frame within it, so we're drawing to the label frame. This is awesome. You can think of it just like the title. As you can see, it's got like sort of a border around it all the way around. So that is the label frame, and we have added a label to it. We could add more stuff to it as well. As the next task, I recommend doing that, adding more labels to it, etc. If you have any questions about label frames, feel free to check out the link that's attached to this video. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.